Hello girls, today we will discuss about one more new topic, very important, that is Mesolithic age. Okay, you all listen properly, okay, and understand it. Try to recollect all the points after completion of my lecture. Okay, so now we will start with Mesolithic civilization, Mesolithic age. Okay, so this is a topic for BA first year students of first sem. So already you have studied Paleolithic civilization. So all these civilizations belong to prehistoric period. So prehistoric period is categorized into 5 stages, that is Paleolithic civilization, Mesolithic civilization, Neolithic civilization, Chalcolithic civilization, Iron civilization, Iron Age. Okay, so in this each categorization, so in each civilization, slowly man started developing one step forward. For example, Paleolithic civilization, man does not know how to do agriculture, but in Mesolithic civilization he got the idea of agriculture. Okay, like that in each civilization there are some dissimilarities, like man started progressing a step forward. So you will get a question like, explain the characteristic features of Mesolithic civilization. So now you have to write all the characteristics features one by one. Like Paleolithic civilization, what characteristic features you have studied, same characteristic features here also you can present, but there should be improvement. In a improvement manner you have to show the presentation. So Mesolithic civilization, man's way of life started developing a step forward. This is known as Mesolithic civilization. This is a second stage of prehistoric period. It was also known as Middle Stone Age period. This age, humans started to sharpen their tools for hunting and looking for stones that harder and could have sharpened edges. So in this stone age, what is happening is the tools they used for cutting or doing some other works, they were very sharp as when compared to Paleolithic period. So Paleolithic period, the weapons and tools they used for cutting or doing some other work, they were not sharp and there were irregular cuttings. Here it is not like that. They have sharpened edges. It was second period in Indian history. Already I told you it is a second period in Indian history. Based on the increased technology, so during this period technology was also to some extent it is enhanced. Based on the increased technology of microliths, the Neolithic technology allowed for leather work and basket tools were combined. Another tool for hunting. All the new technology allowed for the domestication of plants and animals. So new technology was also used for domesticating animals, for growing of plants. So man has also started uh, making baskets to store vegetables, fruits. So before it was not there. So Mesolithic age is basically the blend of two societies existing almost at the same time according to their immediate environment. Pastoral society, horticultural society, horticultural not only use stones but bones, arrows, fish hooks, harpoons, bows, tools used for used as weapons during this period. The tools used were based on shifted stones and often include microliths, very small stones. So this all these stones were very sharp and they are made of very small stones. So these tools are made up with small stones and they are very sharp for cutting, for doing any kind of work. These tools are very useful. The main features of Mesolithic age. Horticulture is technology based on hand tools to cultivate plants. Pastoralism is a technology that supports domestication of animals to both of these strategies. So these strategies are capable of producing material supplies. So in this age what is happening? These sharp tools which are made up with small stones are doing several kind of work. The main features of Paleolithic age are animals became smaller. So during this period what is happening? Animals became smaller. Animals became smaller in size and faster than before. So human has to develop stones, tools, microliths, weapons made up of bones and wood in a lighter and more practical form. Also some personal ornamentation. So all these stones were made up of small tools. So man has also got the idea of agriculture during this period, but he does not know how to cultivate the land. If the land loses its fertility, he used to go to other places for cultivation of crops. So hunting. So this is what about man's tools and weapons used by man. So hunting, gathering, fishing, agriculture were the main occupations of the people during this period. So hunting, gathering, fishing and agriculture were the main occupation of the people during this period. So what happens? So man used to go outside for hunting, food gathering, fishing and agriculture. Women used to stay at home and look after the children and household activities. So food lifestyle of the people also a long span of time involves a bit of variety. Cultures including gradual domestication of plants and animals, formation of settled communities. People started living in huts instead of caves. So in Paleolithic civilization, where people used to live, people used to stay in caves. But in Mesolithic civilization, people started living in huts. They used to form a hut and they used to live. And they used leaves of trees and skin of animals as clothes. So their social life was also very important here. So they never used to mingle with other people for discussing about anything. They had no idea of society. They never used to live mingle with other people, and they do not want to live in groups. They used to travel from one place to another for agricultural purpose or for food gathering. So Mesolithic age, the next stage of human life. So that is why it is called as the next stage of human life. Because we have in this prehistoric age 5 stages. So it is the next stage of human life, wherein the people started developing a step further. So this is the next stage of human life called Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, which falls roughly around 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC. So it began from roughly it is a approximate chronology. Different historians have expressed different views regarding the age of Mesolithic civilization. Approximately its period began from 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC. It was a transitional phase between Paleolithic and Neolithic civilization. So first we have Paleolithic civilization, then we have Mesolithic civilization, then we have Neolithic civilization. So it is a transitional period between Paleolithic civilization and Neolithic civilization. It is in between these two civilizations. The archaeological remains are found in Langan in Gujarat, Adamghar in Madhya Pradesh, and also in some other places of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Bihar. The paintings engraves found at rock shelters gave an idea about social life and economic activities of Mesolithic people. So, by seeing their art, by seeing their painting, we can understand the social life of the people, how they used to live in the society, and what are their economic activities. They have no idea of saving the money. So they are not interested in property. The use of ornaments began a tendency to live for longer period of time in a area. As the weapons and tools developed in a technological manner, people started living in particular area for a longer period of time as compared to Paleolithic civilization. Therefore, domestication of animals, horticulture and primitive cultivation started. Animal bones are found in these sites, and this include dog, deer, ostrich, boar. Occasionally, burials of dead along with some microliths and cells seems to have been practiced. Hunters and gatherers began to store food in containers. So they started storing the food in containers. Before, they never used to store the food because they do not have idea of storing the food. Surplus food, less reliance on large mammals, and food more on fish. They used to eat fish. Fish is their favorite food. So their main food items are milk, meat, goat, fish, eggs. So domestication of animals with domestication of dogs. So domestication of animals began with domestication of dogs. So first they domesticated dogs. So dog was their tamed animal. The use of animals and much developed tools instead of human emerged in the fields and cultivation. Slash bones techniques used, horticultural sex and use of stick and hoe for cultivation. For cultivation, instead of handwork, they also used hoe sticks for cultivation. Mesolithic age or Mesolithic age art and architecture was simple. It was very simple. By seeing their art and painting, we can understand their social and economic life. Warfare was frequent as compared to Paleolithic age. So people were very much scared about war. Warfare was more. It is frequent as compared to Paleolithic civilization. In Paleolithic civilization, they do not have the idea of wars also. They used to quarrel over animals. So they used to fight with animals. Pastures and over animals, pastures in the deserts areas, lands for cultivation. So they used to quarrel with the animals. If they want to, when they go to farming, at that time they used to quarrel with the animals. So whenever they happens to see the animal, they used to quarrel with it. So wars were very much frequent as compared to the Paleolithic civilization. So in Paleolithic civilization, what happens? They do not have the idea of agriculture. So the similarities between Paleolithic civilization and Mesolithic civilization is only in Mesolithic civilization we find people having idea of agriculture. And one more thing is they started developing, preparing baskets for storing food. So technology was also developed, and the weapons, tools they used were sharp as compared to Paleolithic civilization. So religion in that period, several religions were followed, like mostly Islam, Christianity and Judaism were followed. Ancestors worship was also followed. The people of this age were nomadic and sedentary. So like Paleolithic age, these people were also called nomads. In this age, people started to form leadership. Slowly, at the end of this phase, slowly, at the end of this age, people started to form leaderships. First, at the earlier stages, they do not want to live in groups. They don't want to mingle with groups. But at the later stage, people started to form leaderships to combat and for fear and resolve their problems. So they wanted to mingle with other people and discuss about several issues and for solving their problems. Governance started, they started to elect leaders politically, which was authorized to take decisions and was powerful enough to punish anyone on behalf of these people. So this governance was also started. They elected a good leader for running the civilization. Okay. Then farming communities began to be established during this period. Human hunters, fishers, and to learn how to domesticate animals and how to grow plants. The late Mesolithic hunters are known to have developed pottery, Semitic objectives, sedentary lifestyles. So they also later Mesolithic people, they also started developing pottery for storage of food. Okay, so this is what about Mesolithic civilization. So out of these 5 stages, one is compulsory for exam, either Paleolithic or Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic or Iron Age. Compared to these 5, first 3 are very important, and sometimes they may ask you to write about prehistoric period or Stone Age period. At that time you have to write all these 5 civilizations. So you have to be thorough with 5 of them. 5 you have to study. So in the next class we will study about Neolithic civilization. So Neolithic civilization is just like modern age. So man started how to cultivate the land, how to make pottery. We also learned wheel making. So by that way vehicles also started moving on the roads. So there was a lot of development in Neolithic civilization. It is a modern age. Okay. So up to this extent you have understood now. Now you see the slides. What we discuss. Okay students, meet you in next session. Okay, next video class. Until then, goodbye.